come watch with me to unbox the Exdream Rise Capsem and Zeztz Extreme Buckle. Where have you guys heard about Camera Zeztz? Episode 37. 0 rebuild Zeztz driver and 5 gave 0 the Capsem. Let's take a look at Rise Capsem. It's like UFO and it's really cool, and let's turn a switch. That's so cool, and let's spin it. The head spins 3 times and you put the brake on weapons. And next, Zeztz Extreme Buckle. They have different buckles in the inside, and there's a pen that you put on the driver. And let's press it, this into Z and 7. They have the same one as Camera Rider 02, Camera Rider Crossover, and Camera Rider Rainbow Gotcha. Let's take the Zeztz driver, take the base out, and put it into the Extreme Buckle. It sounds like they had to put in a unit, like they have a different anime, and let's put it on. It fits well. Let's henshin. My another package get here tomorrow. I put rated at 10 out of 10. It's really unique. I'll put box in the box collection. I put Zeztz Extreme Driver in the bookshelf. Thanks for watching and your next mission.